So yeah, we best get on with it and get in. Am I looking what temperature it is? Get in! Nice Scotch egg raddish. And all with the beauty of the mountains. One. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, YorkshireLad&LassOutdoors. I'm Sam.
I'm Steve.
So we're straight in at the deep end today. And we've come straight to Coniston to check out the Coniston COPPERMINES waterfall. As you can see, we've found it. And lucky for us, we actually have it all to ourselves at the moment as well. So that's pretty lucky on such a gorgeous day.
And how clear it is.
I know, look at it. It's almost shimmering. So yeah, let's go get our feet wet. To be fair as well, I don't actually think I need my gloves on today. I think I'm going to do it gloveless. What are you doing now?
That's what temperature it is before.
Alright.
Packed away, in a buggy and buggy.
To be fair, it feels pretty mild in this bit here. And the boat is back. The little, what we called it last time, because I can't remember.
Yorkshire Rose.
Yorkshire Rose, yeah. How do I forget that? We have got our flag as well, somewhere. They've got your flag on it, Steve.
Yeah, I'll get them in it.
What temperature was it then?
14.
14? Oh! That's like being in abroad. I'll wait for you before I get in. So our swim attire is nice and colourful today since it's such a sunny day. And Steve has got he's got his Jaws ones on. Shark attack.
12.
Oh, 12 degrees. Oh, it's still pretty good, isn't it? Better than like 3 degrees. No, it's still dropping.
Yeah, it's still dropping today, so.
There you go, our little Yorkshire flag and our Yorkshire Rose. Fighting made, isn't it, love?
Yeah.
So yeah, we best get on with it and get in. Don't get me wrong, it's still going to be cold no matter what, isn't it? It's because it's red hot out here today, so it's a big drop in temperature. Am I looking what temperature it is? Get in! Nice.
Yeah. What 5 feet?
Yeah.
What 5 feet?
It's quite deep then, yeah. Oh, it is, yeah. Woo. Oh. Ah. Bloody hell, fire. It's just cold. Oh my god. To be fair, I feel like dunking my head today, but I'm not gonna.
I don't have any using goggles, I've got something different on.
Yeah.
I look like.
Alright, yeah.
What, thank you for a change.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Under there, yeah.
That's it, isn't it?
I hope you can hear us okay, because I've no
What?
microphones, yeah, and waterfall, yeah. But yeah, we've been here good 10-15 minutes now, haven't we? Just messing about with boat and taking pictures. Still got it all to ourselves, so we're making the most of it now. Just like a little infinity pool. I was trying to swim it, I can't swim to waterfall, but I couldn't do it. So our next move is to go pick the car up, which is parked in Coniston, and then we go on the hunt for a car parking spot for the night. Cook up some nice food. There's one thing I'm looking forward to tonight after tea, and that's my pudding. Are you? Look at that view. Not a cloud in the sky today at Coniston. So to get to the Coppermines waterfall, you have to scramble down this little bit here, where Steve is, just down here. This is the only little bit of scrambling to do. And then it's virtually the deep waterfall, it's just there. Just over this rock here, just climb over there, and then you're there. Oh, that's not too bad at all.
Put it then.
It probably looks worse than what it is. This is the bit I struggled on actually. Oh yeah, once you get me hands onto there, it's alright. Oh, it's easy getting up and down.
And the poster which like marked.
Yeah. We found a spot. Is it level?
If it's green, it's somewhat like. If it's red, it's not as level. As much green as you can get it. That ain't bad. And we just drove from Coniston to London Gill, and now I'm a panicker about finding spots. Now I seem to Sam all along. I'm confident. And it's a spot and a half we just found by chance. And I say it's a Picasso size spot. This is definitely a Picasso size spot.
Yeah, no, it's a Picasso side tight spot.
Yeah.
It's like it was made just for our little Picasso, just to slip into it. Yeah, I'll have to watch.
We didn't
I'll touch my door.
We didn't back in because we wanted if we needed it booked door up, we got up a view. That bit of view from our booked door.
Yeah. Nice, isn't it? Look at all mountains.
Just want window blinds on, you don't see now, do you?
No.
From front.
No.
My tea's coming now.
So yeah, so we'll get set up and then we'll come back at tea time.
And then tomorrow we'll have to Old Dungeon Gill. It's only just down there, about a stone's throw.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna park up there and go find another waterfall, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we've got our tea served out, and tonight we're going, what is it? Cold tea. Cold tea. So we've got some quiche, salad, pork pie, scotch egg, radish, some these biscuity things.
Very savoury, yeah.
Nice. With some hummus.
And then for dessert, a lemon meringue.
Yeah. And then all with the beauty of the mountains as a view.
What a beautiful day.
It has, yeah. We've just had a lady come up to us, haven't we? She stopped a car and she was American. She was having a look at our setup.
Yeah.
She was really impressed with it, wasn't she?
Very intrigued, yeah, and how it all works.
Yeah, yeah, she wanted to know where we slept, and we were telling her that we had a toilet and we've got a fridge and everything else, and she's really happy about it. Everybody keeps like walking past now and nosing where that's what she said. She was just like walking, driving past in a car, and she's there. You are just sat in your car, just chopping away. Maybe you should move that axe out front of the car though. Is it on display?
It's on display, yeah. This little thing here.
Yeah, we have an axe in case. Well, we have a fire pit, so sometimes we might want to cut a bit of wood. Might we? Are you not moving it?
Yeah, well,
it there?
I've got an axe in the space, if some goes missing, that's why. Been watching Dexter on the call thing.
Oh, I'll have Marmot now. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy a tea now, and we'll see you in a bit. What the lemon meringue's going on here then? Pudding. Tea was nice, very filling. I had far too much on my plate. Steve had to finish mine off, didn't you?
Mm-hmm. It was a struggle, but I managed it.
Nice.
Yep, you'll probably finish that for now.
Hello. Still not much wind really. No. Still nice evening.
What temperature? And calm.
Makes a change from
sub-zero.
Yeah, from being in a winter camp. 23 out, 24 in. So yeah, we'll get some pudding eaten. We're just getting set up now for the night. It's been a long day, so we're going to get to bed early. Yeah. We're knackered, aren't we?
It was resting.
So we just used our little air pump to inflate our army mattresses for our bed. Do mine first and then...
It's only cheap, no make on Amazon, you see, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's been fantastic.
Takes about 4 minutes, something like that.
I like the timer though.
Yeah, it's not long, is it really?
Like just so, like my porridge.
That's it, we're all settled down now. Yeah. We're just going to watch this, I think we've gone back to horrors tonight with the sounds of it. I can't even remember what I've downloaded now. Stephen King's Riding the Bullet. Sounds scary, doesn't it? Yeah. So Steve's got his lighter sleeping bag tonight.
Yeah, I think this one's a Neutrino 600.
Yeah.
Sam's got about 900, haven't you?
Yeah, red one. Yeah.
So that's about it for tonight. I think I've got to do what they call it, a star lapse. Is it a night lapse?
I don't know.
I've set my camera up on the car as well, so it should be a clear night, so I thought I'd do one of those. I'll probably put that on. That's it really. That's it. Yeah. So good night, and we'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, good night then. I'm out to PICASSO. Press play.
Yeah. Lights off. From Hotel Picasso, so we're just having a bit of breakfast. We've just got some shreddies this morning and some biscuits, and there's our view. It's a nice day again today, so we might be off to go find some more waterfalls today, but we're going to call it a day for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you do like what we do, we've got loads of videos in our back catalogue if you'd like to have a look at them. But like I said, that's it for this video, so we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, bye!
Yeah, thank you. Bye.